Hi, I just wanted to make this little video to say thank you so much for 80 subscribers. I hope you all have been doing good. I'm really grateful because my video got picked up a little by the algorithm and my subscriber count doubled in a few days. I'm not gonna lie, when I checked YouTube Studio, I was shook. I know these numbers are no big deal for a lot of people, but honestly, this is a wow moment for me because it's my first time experiencing my analytics going a little crazy, and it makes me giggle and kick my feet. I'm grateful to everyone who subscribed, liked my videos, and left nice comments. It truly means a lot, and it gave me a huge boost of motivation to continue making videos and uploading them. Also, I wanted to take the chance to announce that I'm hosting an art raffle until the 31st of October. If you want to participate, all you have to do is retweet my pinned art raffle tweet on my Twitter account and follow me. And everyone who follows my account, retweets the tweet and subscribes to my channel gets a double entry. You just have to reply to the tweet, or you can even DM me if you want. The prize will be a rendered drawing of your favorite character or original character. If I reach 222 followers by the end of the raffle, there will be 2 winners. One more thing is that I know probably not all of you have a Twitter account, but I wanted to include my little YouTube audience in this game as well. So if you subscribe and drop a comment telling me that you did so, you will also get an entry. Okay, that's it for this video. Hopefully I will upload a longer one in 2 or 3 weeks. Thank you very much again for your nice comments and for subscribing to my channel. Take care and good luck on the art raffle. Love and peace.